I'm gonna start this video off with a cold start because everybody loves cold starts.
So I've gone 114 miles on a full tank. That's all right. That's not bad. Last night I was at half a tank, and now I'm just a touch below 1/4 tank. This car guzzles E85 so fast now. It is insane. But just woke up, gotta go feed a dog, gotta go get a lift in, and that's how we start the day. Nice and easy. Get off to a good start. Let's get it. So we're here at my mother's because I gotta fill up gas, and then I'm also selling my Yakima, however you pronounce it, bike racks. And then I realized I have two like small dents that are really hard to see, but I noticed them, and the reason they're there is because the neighbors trimmed their tree, and I guess one of them, or a branch or something, because I noticed when I came home there's like a couple branches next to my car. I guess they landed on top of my car and hit the side of my fender, so super bummed about that. I don't know exactly what I should do. Do I tell them, hey, your tree trimmers fucking knocked some branches onto my car? I don't know what to do. I really wish the garage was cleaned out so I could park in there, but it is what it is. What do you guys think I should do? But yeah, gonna fill up the car, got the lift in, and this is my Saturday, so you know, remember, I just throw stuff together on Saturday to see what I do, but right now I gotta fill up. It's the last jug of E85 that I got, and yeah, I think I'm all out. Yeah, I just got one jug left. I think in total, between filling my car up and getting 4 jugs, I think I've probably gone 300 miles, give or take. So I might have to order new like 1 or 2 more jugs for Laguna Seca because there's no E85 on the way there. The closest E85 station is in San Jose. So we'll see. Might have to buy some more to make that entire trek, but it is what it is. All right, look what arrived. This is my Race Tech, don't have a knife, my Race Tech toe strap. Here it is, pretty nice. I'll show you guys where it's gonna mount up. Looking to mount it like somewhere, because my toe thing is right there, but as you can see the front mount covers it, so I'm gonna have to mount it into the crash beam somehow and then just have it sticking out of the bumper, I guess. There's no other clean way to do it. I need one for the front. I was thinking of somehow getting it to go through the grill, through the crash beam, but I don't know how it's gonna happen, so it's gonna look like that. Hopefully I got that. I don't know if I did, but this is a really nice quality toe strap. A lot of people also run them in the rear, but I have my OEM tow hook. I'm not a huge fan. Hang on. Not a huge fan of how they look dangling. It's Tuesday, I want to say, but I'm going to continue this video. It's start of track prep day. I need to swap off my Tomei, put on the Grimmspeed, and first off we got to move my mom's car, the BMW, and then the Mustang. It just rained. I changed the exhaust last time in the rain. I was able to do it in 45 minutes, but this time I want to take my time, do it in the dry, so we're going to move all 3 cars out and then pull in the Subaru. So let's get started. steamy. All right, well, I also got a new 3-ton low profile floor jack, so this should also help. We got a gang of scooters out there. Let's get started, shall we? To make this install a little bit easier, borrowing this from Peter. So it's like a, I don't know exactly what you call it, maybe an electric wrench, but it's gonna make things so much easier. All right, well, finished putting on the Grimmspeed. Was gonna change out my brake pads. I was starting on the right side. Those bolts, or the lug nuts came off easy. The lug nuts here, not so much. I started trying to take this one off and it is not coming off, so that's definitely gonna snap. So we'll be going into Adam's on Monday. Gonna snap this off. He's got another bolt there, or a stud, so he can pull it off. And then I'm also changing to Project Kick lug nuts, getting rid of these cheap Neo chrome ones. Yeah, if everything works out the track day, I will probably switch to extended lug nuts. Those will be much better, but these are so rusted and stuff, so I think it just rusted right onto the fucking bolt. Also, my rotors have looked like they've seen better days, but they're all right. I was hoping to get the new pads on so I can start bedding them into the new bedding the G-lock pads into the rotors, but it is what it is. And like I said, the Grimmspeed is on. 15 days, it's Monday, or it's Friday, April 5th, so 5 days out. Definitely starting to prepare. We'll start getting the track bag ready. Sorry for the gardeners, but thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.